Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to check the remaining internal storage on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Checking the internal storage helps you to keep track of how much space is available on your device. By monitoring the storage capacity, you can determine if you need to free up space by deleting unnecessary files, apps, or media. And then how to check it. First thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Well, after that, here you can scroll down. Okay, and then select battery and device care option here. Well, and then in this page, just please storage menu here. Okay, and then here will appear details of the storage capacity on your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to check the remaining internal storage on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.